Hi everyone, we're going to show you how to install the radiographic positioning app that we're developing onto your phone. Now the one caveat to this is that you have to have two apps on your phone in order to run it. One is the software, the platform to build the app. You won't need to do anything with it other than to install it on your phone, but it's required to have that since the app is still in beta phase. So the name of that one is called AppSheet. So what we're going to do is we will send you a link to the app, and so you'll get you'll get either an email or a text message once we decide on how we're going to do that, and you'll get something that looks like this. And the first step that you're going to do is that you're going to have to click on where it says AppSheet right here, and it says, if you don't have AppSheet installed on your phone, this is what you got to do. So since you've more than likely never used AppSheet before, I would say the majority of you, you're going to need to do that. So you're going to click on this, and then from here it's going to walk you through installing the AppSheet on your phone. Once you do that, you're going to have this little icon down here that looks like AppSheet. I would go through the process of installing, but I already have it on my phone, so it's not gonna work right. Okay, so once you have that installed on your phone, go back to the original message, click on this again. Oh, sorry, I got to click on my phone actually. Click on that again, and now it says if AppSheet is installed, install RadNotes. So you click on that, and it brings up this little screen, and all you do is you want to save this to your home screen. So basically it's just creating a web link that's going to save on your home screen. So once you click the little, let me go back here, you're going to click this little arrow, and once you click that to save to your home screen, it should bring up something like this. You say add to home screen, and since it's already on mine, that's why it's showing up that way. And then it'll start installing into your phone. So then you're going to get the app icon that looks like this. So we're going to click on that, and then it's going to bring up what looks like this. As you'll notice down here at the bottom, sorry about that, down here at the, let me move this out of the way. At the bottom, it shows you that there's two that already have images on them. That's because we've already created the images. So one of the projects that you're going to be doing this semester while you're in class is you're going to be taking your images as we are learning the position, and you're going to upload them yourself. So as a student, you will have the ability to do this. We have the permissions set to where anyone can take pictures and add to the app. So let's just say we were going to do wrist. I'm going to click on this for my app. You can do this as well. And then you're going to go to edit, and it'll give you the little phone or the little camera icon. You can click on this, and it automatically starts your camera up. And let's just say you were going to do finger positioning or whatever, you could just go like this, and then you're going to say use photo, and then you say save, and then it adds it to our app. And so the benefit of this is that no matter where you are, whether it be school, if you're practicing in lab, or you're at a clinical site and you need to refer to notes, now you have an image of what the positioning is supposed to look like. And if you go down here, you'll see that all the information's been added. It tells you where to center, it tells you the specifics, like on this one, the hand needs to be pronated, fingers flexed, blah, blah, blah. Tells you the IR size, which is pretty much obsolete at this point, but we're still going to use it, and then angulation. So you can also add more information, like if you wanted to add some more notes to it, you could go down here and say I'm going to add some notes. I'm going to say don't forget to collimate to collimate. Let's just leave it at that, because you could give more details, but you get the idea. So collimate. So now you've got, and every time you save, it automatically is syncing to the AppSheet, which is where the production side is for the app. So I'm going to also click, sometimes it doesn't do it right away, so I'm going to click on sync down here and see if it shows up now. Let's go back out. With it being a beta app, it doesn't always show everything right away. There it goes. Now it's showing don't forget to collimate. Okay? You can also add another image. So the reason I have this spot here where the exclamation is that you can also add, let's say you want to add an x-ray of what that looks like. So you can, Google search, an x-ray image, or, maybe find one of the x-rays that's in the film bin, which is what I would prefer you do, because those are our images. So if you use those images, there's no citation required. So if you can find the film bin and you find a PA hand, you can always put an x-ray here of what it's supposed to look like. So that's really all there is to it. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to Mrs. Cobb, and her email is for DCCCD is regina.cobb@dcccd.edu. Have a good one.